Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about TikTok tutorial, and I will like to show you the way how to add playlist on TikTok. So the thing that you have to do, open your TikTok application, and if you are in the home section, go jump into your profile. And now what we call it as playlist is some things in this line. And to create the new playlist, go click this plus buttons right here and just preparing the title of the playlist that you want. And after you're done, go click next. And now you just need to choose which content that you want to put into the playlist. And after you're done, go click done. And now the playlist is already created. So that is the way how to add playlists on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.